Hello friends, and आज आपण we are going to see how to use Google Maps, and there are some tips and tricks that I'm going to tell you. And first of all, you need to open your phone or laptop. This is for phone, and if you first you open the phone, then you need to open Google Play Store, or you are if you are using iOS, there will be a store, and search Google Maps. See Google Map, and this is navigate and explore, editor's choice. Use this and click on it and install it. Okay, now our app is installing. We need to just wait. It is installing. Yep, it is installed. Let's open it. Now I am just using the emulator for laptop because I am using laptop and I can't use phone because phone doesn't have anything. Now you need to just sign in. I'm already signed in. Now how to use it? Just use GPS yourself, and he will allow maps to access your this device location. You need to say allow. Okay, just wait. What is happening? Okay, turn on. Okay. Now Google Maps use really slowly, and sometime if it is first time, then it will give you the wrong location. See, I am not in the Sadashivpet. I live in, I know my location because I live there, that's why. Okay, he will say to do like this, but this is a laptop, I can't just do it. That's why I will not use compass, but and this way your Google Map will open. Now here are here is everything you wanted from Google Map. This is Google Earth. This is same but it is Earth, and bicycling, public transit, traffic, offline maps, Wi-Fi only. These are the options, and your places are this. Means which places we save. These places are written here. Now see, saved places, labeled places following. I'm not following any places. Upcoming, nope. Visited, nope. Upcoming means where are you going, like anything. If I'm going to Bangalore, it will come there. Now if you want to navigate, then you need to go click on directions, and it will say your location, and choose a starting point. If you are not using your location point, then you need to use something else. I'm using my home location, and you can use anything. Means you want to go from bus, two-wheeler, train, walk, or car driving. Home to where do you want to go? Okay, home and where I want to go is not written here, but I want to go here. This is the way you want to go anywhere. And this we know about traffic. Okay, this way you know everything about traffic, and that way you can use Google Map basically. Okay, this is the way you use Google Map basically. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel Sneha Erande, the homeschooler, and see my Instagram account Sneha Erande 11. That account will be in description. And for more